The Build-A-Bot kit is the perfect way to level up your GoBox classroom kit. When you open the box, you'll find an instruction card with a link to view or download the project guides, printable student booklets, a video tutorial, and more. Inside the case, you'll find a bag containing either 8 or 25 miniature motors and multicolored LED lights. You'll also find googly eyes for decorating your bots, AAA batteries, and optional on-off switches for those quick builders. After removing the top tray, you'll discover pre-printed animal ID cards. These go along with the EcoBot project, where students choose and research an endangered species, design and build a nature preserve, and then bring their EcoBots to life so they can flourish in their new habitats. Additional materials in your kit are designed to deepen the learning experience by helping students understand the physical forces involved in the bot's movement. Using the engineering design process, students will be challenged to balance frictional, centripetal, and gravitational forces to get their bots to move in a straight line. Pipe cleaners, straws, conductive tape, and foam stickers can all be used to fine-tune the design. Timers are included for a day at the races to see which EcoBot travels the fastest. The lesson plan includes ways to expand learning beyond science with math, literacy, and tech extensions. A step-by-step video tutorial is also available on the website to help you get started. Whether you use the full cross-curricular project-based learning experience or just want to have a fun-filled engineering activity with your learners, one thing is for sure, these bots are a big win for students and facilitators alike.